but it's gonna start getting really, really hot here soon, and the air conditioning does not work in this tractor. So, as you see, I got a box here from Friday Parts. I ordered a new compressor. It's a great time to be buying something from Friday Parts because now until the end of July, July 31st, they are doing their summer sale. So check them out right now. They got a lot of good deals going on right now. You can save yourself a lot of money on some OEM parts. Great stuff. We're starting to get some cold air. I like it. So don't forget to check out Friday Parts Summer Sale going on now to the end of July. Great deals on stuff like this and many, many more. It's getting really, really hot out there. You want to keep yourself cool while you're working in your equipment. So check out, I got links in the description. Like I said earlier in the video, I got links in the description. If you're interested in a compressor like this, I have a link in the description for that too. So check out Friday Parts.